So as you can see, my rice is perfect. Like I said, leave it with the lid on 15 minutes, come out just like that. So now I'm going to make egg fried rice. Really simple this. So I've got 2 eggs in my jug. Put it in my pan. Give it a bit of a whisk so it starts cooking a bit. I do like egg fried rice. There we go, it's getting a bit now. Put my rice in. Mix it up. Keep it moving. And then obviously if you're cooking this for one, you just use 1 egg. Pretty easy. Soy sauce, light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is salty, so it gives you, I just throw it in. Good mix up. And then to finish off, spring onions. And there you are, egg fried rice. How easy is that?